Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, you are going to learn how to fix YouTube Premium Family Plan not working, invite, access and sharing troubleshooting guide. Step 1. Confirm the invitation was accepted. Open the invitation email, click accept invitation, sign in with the correct Google account, finish the family group joining process, restart the YouTube app and check for premium benefits. You can also verify membership from the family group settings page. Step 2. Check that everyone uses a personal Google account. YouTube Premium Family Plans do not work with school, work or Google Workspace accounts. Open the Google account being used, confirm it is a personal Gmail or personal Google account. If using a school or business account, switch to a personal account. Accept the family invite again. Step 3. Verify country and region settings. All family members must be in the same country as the family manager. Open Google account settings, go to payments and subscriptions. Check the account country region. Ensure every member uses the same country. Remove and resend invitations if changes were made. Step 4. Confirm household eligibility. YouTube requires family plan members to live in the same household. Ensure family members regularly access YouTube from the same home location. Avoid frequent location changes or VPN use. If YouTube requests verification, complete the household confirmation process. Step 5. Remove and resend the invitation. A broken or expired invitation can prevent activation. Sign into the Family Manager account, open YouTube paid memberships, go to Manage Membership, remove the affected family member, send a new invitation, have the member accept it again. Step 6. Check spam and promotions folders. Invitation emails may be filtered. Open Gmail or your email provider. Check spam, junk, and promotions folders. Search for YouTube Family Invitation. Open the invite and complete the joining process. Step 7. Sign out and back into YouTube. Open YouTube, tap your profile picture, sign out of the account, sign back in, restart the app and check premium status. Step 8. Check for existing family group restrictions. Google limits how often users can switch family groups. Open Google Family Settings, check whether the account recently joined or left another family group. If so, you may need to wait before joining a new group. Step 9. Update or reinstall the YouTube app. Open your App Store, update YouTube to the latest version. If problems continue, uninstall and reinstall the app. Sign in again and verify premium access. Step 10. Contact YouTube support. If invitation shows as accepted but premium benefits still do not appear, open YouTube, tap your profile picture, go to Help and Feedback, select Contact YouTube Support. Explain the family plan issue and provide affected account details. You can get the link in the description. When you click on the link, the web page will be appeared like this. From here, you can ask for help and support. Thank you for watching the video. Do like, comment and share the video. Subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to hit the bell icon for upcoming videos.